Alright, here's the snow from our big snowstorm. If you hear me breathing hard, it's probably because I am. This snow is really deep and heavy. You can see I had to go out the side door, because that door is actually up in the air. The snow's almost up to the bottom of that door. So I can go shovel out this door. And then I gotta walk all the way around. See Ma's car there. It's kind of buried in the snow a little bit. There's my tractor. I'm gonna have to come out and hook up the block heater so I can get that going. Do some snow plow, maybe make some money today. Pretty deep out here. But enough talking. Time to get busy.